Let's take care of the disclaimer, and once that's done, we'll get to the charts. This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Please do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many, if not most of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube. Due to the delay of the stream, there's a latency of sometimes 5, 10, 15, 20 seconds. We're active scalpers. We could be out of the trade in 10 seconds. You don't even see us opening yet and we're already out. We also trade offline and I trade off camera. I have other charts, other screens, so you do not get to see the complete picture. Do not copy our trades. We are not licensed professionals. We're also not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90-95% of all traders lose money. We're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, finally, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Good morning. Good morning. I'm still sick. And I didn't sleep last night, so I'm feeling pretty zombie-ish today. Not sure how much of an active scalper I'm going to be, but I'm going to do my best. As always, I like to start with the 15-minute charts and see where we stand. We have the solid, let's call it pink line. That's the midnight open. The gray box is the Asian session. And we are trading above the Asian session highs. And we never revisited the Asian session lows, so for me that's already one indication that we could see a bullish day today. Doesn't mean it's 100% certain, but when we don't tap into both sides of the Asian session, we just tap into one of them. Often it's a continuation move for the rest of the US session, but we'll see. What do we have? Looking also at the 15-minute charts, the red dash line on the top, 531.50, 21,531.50. That's Friday's low. That's 315 points away. So if the markets do decide to try and recover some of the overnight losses or fill some of the gap, we have a lot of room to run. It's a long runway, 300 points. Let me take a look at the zones on the 30-minute chart. This one that we're tapping into. Hold on, I have to cough. Sorry. Okay, I'm back. This one that we've tapped into multiple times is where we're trading at now. So I'm going to just expand out. We did manage to get above it and have two closes above it on the 30-minute chart. And now we're consolidating inside it and above it. So unless we close below it, once again, my bullish thesis comes into play. I don't want to know.
Huh?
I don't want to know.
He's telling him he should pay for the vet bill if he has a heart.
Is this the midnight open? I think it is. 2350. Yep, that pink line is the midnight open. Let me undock. Good morning, wood chip. Hold on.
Megan texted me yesterday.
Chat.
Here?
Yeah.
Send money for the vet. I'm like, are you on drugs? What's that have to do with me? You know, if I was here, I would have said you let the dog die.
You love the dog.
No, you let the dog die. And on top of that, the dog was already throwing up here.
Okay, I don't know if you guys heard that. Did anybody hear that boat horn?
Who asked for the dog and who brought the dog? Both answers are no. Mike, don't tell me I have issues again, bro.
No, you have a cleared cache. Did you click connect? Huh? Connect. Where are you going to get data from if you're not connected?
I don't know, I'm listening to mom at the same time.
Okay, so I'm bullish because of the 30-minute zones. I am bullish because of the 15-minute chart where we are in relation to the Asian session, the midnight open VWAP. We have a lot of room to run to the previous day's low. 5-minute. I'm not going to get anything off the 5-minute. I'll just watch it, and so I can see the Asian session.
Is there good activity?
The volatility is 11 points now. It's pre-market, so that's pretty good. She's aggravating him 10 minutes before he starts the trade.
It sucks. You had a good week last week. That's what I'm thinking about right now.
What can you do?
Which one is it? They look like they're the same.
Which one is what?
They look like they're both.
Remove them. Don't have them both on. Get rid of both of them so you don't have a problem.
Turn it off.
No, close it. Get rid of it.
Get rid of it to put it back on.
Yep. It's 1510 trader. Yep, okay. Do it at a 3 lot. You have to double click it. Okay, guys, I gotta put you on mute for a second, and
Now your wife's gonna shut it.
Okay, I'm back. I had to blow my nose. I don't know if you guys were in. I don't know who's in now, who was in before. But I didn't get a lot of sleep. I almost didn't get any sleep last night. And my cough kept me awake. So I'm not sure how aggressively I'll be trading. Oh, I thought your laptop.
This makes a long sound. Just freezing. You can't even click Windows D. You can't click nothing. You have to power it down. When I opened up my game, it was like a brand new game. Everything was done. All my settings, I have to do from scratch.
Weird.
You know how long it took me? I had to watch videos. I don't remember everything I did. I optimized it perfectly over months.
You taking this? Close it.
I'm already in the room?
Yep. So start a new tab. Yep. I have you on mute for now. David doesn't come in. What chip for anybody? Okay, what am I looking at? 1 minute chart. 11 points. 11 point.
Look how much space you
Yeah, I know.
What
I have
is
to
that?
fix it.
It's like 50%, 50%
Almost.
almost.
11 point range on the 1 minute candles pre-market. That's a good range, but not the size of the range I thought I would see based on what happened last night. I heard on social media some people showing videos saying that Trump's going to regret this trade war and Canada and Mexico are going to inflict pain on the U.S. That's so ridiculous. They're so small, these countries. It's like a little boy with a slingshot is going to inflict harm on an army with cannons.
Tariffs on us. We get taxed while we piss, the Canadians.
Yeah.
We get taxed left and right. We have carbon tax. We have every tax possible in our country. We get taxed. We're one of the most taxed countries.
We're taxomaniacs.
Taxomaniacs, exactly.
Hey, did you unplug my lights?
Yeah, I told you, nothing goes in here. I thought my brain automatically has a bias and blames you for sucking power out of it. No, you find a box. You have a box?
No, I got a question for you. It's okay.
Just put it in the box.
It's a USB thing. Can you plug it into a box and plug it into the wall? Is there those kinds of things?
Yeah, there is.
Oh, okay. So I'll look for that.
I think I might have one.
Okay, I want to take my long-term continuation trades here. I need it a little smaller. I need to see.
This smaller? This?
I need to see one or two, transfers,
What's that?
rotations over the thing. No, that's a lot. Like that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Just want to be able to see 1 and 2. What time is it? 9:25. I told some people I'd join you today. Excellent. Good morning, Witchip. Look, Witchip has a wrench beside. I made him a
Moderator.
He's a moderator. Witchip has been promoted to moderator. He's a moderator plus. Room open. The room is open. All rooms are open. Getting ready to trade. I don't even know what I want to do for the opening trade, but I know I'm going to try something different today because it's conservative. I'm going to be trading. Should see a couple of new people. Good. Excellent. Excellent. Did you get some sleep, Woodchip? Most importantly, did you get some sleep last night? It was only 9 hours ago we were talking. Yes, I am going to do you know what? Good idea. Smallest size. I'm going to do 1 lots, 2 lots, and 4 lots. Okay, 1 lots, 2 lots, 4 lots. We'll see what happens. I'm going to trade 1 account. If it loses, I'm going to switch to another account because I had a lot of my evals from the New Year's sale renew. But I blew almost all of them stupidly in one day, I think. I don't even remember anymore. So, I don't know, I have like 6 of them, I think, maybe even more. There's 325Ks that I can see, 250Ks, that's 5, and I think I had 4 150s. Plus my 300 that you see on the screen now, that's up 580. 1, 2, 3, 4, you have 4 150, so it's 9 actually. So I take a trade. If I have a full loss, I move to the next account. If I have a full loss, I move to the next account. Each one is allowed 2 losses. Minimum size just to see how it goes. Counter-Strike is ready to trade the Bulenox account. And I am going to try my hardest to trade today in the path of least resistance. So if I have, let me change the screen here. I have a bearish bias like you can see right now. I'm going to do my darndest to go only in that direction and not stupidly try and take longs. Because I see momentum and I'm thinking, oh, maybe I could get a piece of that. Uno minute, 1 minute. I'm not even going to trade the open. Start right away. So what do we say? One lot? Okay, one lot. See how it goes. Wait for my first entry. Looks like right now that my fate. I haven't made it. I made it! Oh, I don't hear you. Hold on. There we go. Oh, I'm hearing me. Oh, through Alex's mic. Now I'm not hearing me. Perfect. Let's see if wood chips coming through. Markets are opened. And my first trade should be a short. Now markets are opening. So we'll see. Oh, your mic is picking me up.
My mic will pick you up?
Yeah, I don't know why this time.
Can you hear me?
I do. Looks like everybody's on a permanent link. Perfect. I'll speak. Let me see if it works. Oh, okay, perfect.
Good morning.
Good morning, Vietnam. That was a good movie. It was with Dustin Hoffman.
Don't get wrecked.
No, I didn't sleep last night, so I am trading super conservative. I'm not in a good mood because of that, because of the no sleep thing. It's really starting to get to me. It's many days now. Too many days.
I'm telling you, it's the cold. When I was sick, I slept bad for like 14 days in a row.
Wow.
I woke up tired. After breakfast, I was tired. Before the gym, I was tired.
14 days in a row. I'm not looking forward to that. What's up? Do you hear me now?
I'm sorry.
What's up? Do you
what
hear
was
me
that?
now?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So I think I can keep my mic on. It's mic on, speaker off, actually. I'm still confused with these settings.
I gotta mute the stream. I'm getting double.
Yeah, you'll get echo if you have the stream also. Else there's something I just want to see.
Yo.
Okay, perfect. So I can hear you guys. What chip speak?
Speak.
Speak or forever hold your peace.
I mean, rough.
Okay,
Order, Bill.
so somehow you guys are hearing me. I don't know how, but
Order, Bill.
Somebody's trading. What are you guys doing?
I
I heard an order filled.
Yeah, it's me. I'm doing the Rankos again.
Oh, nice.
I missed the first trade, so
It's okay. I was a loser. Enjoy.
I only would have been a one lot.
I actually signed up for the next level up on TradingView just to check out Renko.
Oh yeah.
The 30-day trial. It's free. I can go
Okay.
back to my other one, but
I'll give you a little quick lesson on how
I was just curious because it wouldn't let me, so it pissed me off. I had to do it.
Yeah, you have to pay for rankings.
No, just to watch them. Just to watch it.
Yeah.
Order submitted. Order,
But
Bill.
it's the setup that is important. How you set up the chart to display the rankings. Okay. Switch accounts.
Okay, took London high.
Okay, I understand that. I think you guys are hearing me through Alex's mic up in the distance, so I can't mute my coffee. My coffee. I muted it for the stream, but you guys are gonna have to endure it.
Order bill.
Do you guys hear that boat horn?
No.
No, you didn't. Okay.
Did you say that earlier too?
Yeah, it's an alert that I have. It's really loud. It blasts in my ears.
What I don't hear is the music. It's like dead silent.
Oh yeah.
'Cause I'm not listening to your stream.
Yeah,
I'm just
yeah.
hearing you. But...
Order submit. Order submitted.
Target bill, Bulenox took a trade, so that's fun.
Target bill.
I heard another target bill. Okay, continue with this account. As long as it keeps winning, that's going to be the theory.
You realize what it did?
No.
I don't know what happened, but my Bulenox took a $400 winner apparently. I don't know how.
We'll shut it down.
I did. It's the first thing I did.
Check the size.
You told me it was 3. Look, strategy. That it? 3. Lot size 3.
What chart do you want? You want NQ? It's not on.
It's on it's on NQ. So I'm done for the day.
No, but why is it even on this?
How is your strategy not even here? The MNQ's not even here, and it's not even this Renko. How did you tell me to click this strategy, but it's not even the same Renkos? Look, counter strike.
Click cancel. You applied it on the wrong chart.
Oh, I clicked it here, but it still went to my Bulenox.
Yeah, you can go on any account you want to.
So I have to click it here.
Yes.
Strategies.
Bulenox just took another trade on a winner. You could have had it. If you didn't notice, you would have had another winner for $400. Okay, we're missing our trade.
No, my consistency rule. I can't have an $800 day, so I have to stop trading it. And we'll do tomorrow then. I'm not touching my Bulenox. Bro, 467. I just breathe. Thank God it wasn't a loser.
Okay, this one is a loser, which it looks like it is. I switched accounts. Okay, now that I'm not distracted.
Mom's texting me your microphone.
Hmm? Let's try this. Supposed to be long, eh? Target filled, Bulenox, target filled again. So the Bulenox that you see over there in the results, BX02844, is trading an automated strategy called Counter-Strike that I'm also testing now in the London session. And it's so far gone good. GG. Yeah, good game. Good games. So I was saying Counter-Strike is up 3 for 3. That's good so far. I muted you also. No. No. If you want, like, yeah, no. Where did you mute? Go back to where you muted. Yeah. If you want Witcher to hear, you gotta mute. But it won't go on the stream, so it's fine. Test it out. It should hear you. Hears it? It's crazy. No, we didn't catch all of it. We got a good piece of it. That's okay. That's okay. We wait for the next one.
Maybe patient. We got 50% at 386.
Yeah, I'll make a little
We're
bit
almost
here.
there. Believe it or not.
Are we gonna go to?
We're at 25%, 293.
We just wicked above the, I guess the opening candle. That happened at 6 o'clock. And got rejected off that. I'm looking to go long at about 80. If we can get up there. Watching, waiting patiently.
We have first FEG right off of open. Always interesting when that happens. I think that happened on Friday too.
Mom said it's echoing again. It's probably my mic, Dad.
I don't hear an echo. Is it echoing on the stream?
I don't know. What do you think Mom's talking about? It's probably the stream she's talking about.
Order filled.
Where is everybody?
Wow, I can't believe you guys don't hear that. That was an aggressive boat horn. Alert. Uh-oh. Bulenox was in trouble, but no longer in trouble. Target filled. Bulenox, 177. Way to go, Bulenox. I love it. Wow, and I lowered the size on Bulenox. I wanted to do 5 lots. I'm only doing 3. Could have been 60% more. Another 120 bucks almost. Well, if this trade closes out, it's not an official loser. I can still do this account one more time because it was a one bar loss. Yeah, no, it is. Yeah, it's your mic. It's because we're beside each other. Ah, Bulenox took a loser. And a large one. That sucks. No, you're fine. You can leave it now. It's not on the stream.
I know you told me that like 5 minutes ago, but she texted me again.
I've turned it back on. That's why. Okay, Bulenox, target filled. Oh, yeah.
Too quick on 2 bars. Very, very fast. Why you coming fast? Why you coming fast? You don't see me?
Okay, switch accounts.
Alright, so I opened I took yesterday. I opened up the game and it showed me like the interface in the beginning where you have to set your screen, the brightness, and all my settings were back to 0.
Weird.
I was so mad. You know how much that sucks? Because I changed settings in every way possible. Movement, aiming, graphics, the view, the way the person moves, how he runs.
I don't know if you guys hear it, but Sparky's here saying sell, sell, sell.
Oh, it's my phone.
Back to drinking tea. Hopefully that'll help with my cough. Those colors are just deadly.
It's like it reminds you like a dirty old TV cow.
Oh, it's a dirty TV cow?
It's what my brain tells me.
I don't even know what that is. What are you up there on your 2 accounts?
It's like strawberry, but my dad, yeah, it's like, what's your tea? Cinnamon hibiscus?
No, it's a regular Tetley tea, regular tea. I forgot what they call it. But that has honey and lemon in it. How much you up?
My girlfriend brings us organic Portuguese honey.
No, this is just... This is cheap honey from bees that are on welfare.
Same thing.
How much are you up? You're not answering me.
Me? You didn't even ask. 300. 309. But there's a lot of losers. We got
Yeah, horrific.
Loser.
Horrific. Not a good
winner.
morning.
One winner, then loser.
Mm.
Loser. Or break even. Technically, I should be down. I don't know how I'm up.
Yeah, well, we missed some losers and we
It's
milked.
the winner. It's the winner that cleaned. I think I got 6-7 bucks.
Ah, yeah, that'll clean out 4 losers, 4 full losers.
Yeah, that's fine. Too late to apologize.
Okay, waiting for a short. Let's take a look at the charts, see what we're doing on the 5-minute. We've pulled back into the London session.
Holding the dog move?
Look, we just wicked this candle here. This was the gap candle. We wicked it and came back down.
It should take the 930 wick.
Yeah, you'd think. And then take London low.
I hope
Like
it does
clockwork.
for you. That'd be nice.
That'd be sweet.
Start-
It's
start on
just
Monday
an
out
email.
Oh, you're short?
Alright, I have to kill. I'm gonna kill it. Yeah. Sorry. Done. 140 bucks. I traded my PA in the overnights. Got it up 550 bucks. 56. Yeah.
I'm laughing because wait.
And you start. It was during your stream. I was walking through IKEA with my daughter.
Yeah.
You heard us raging here.
I heard you yelling at somebody.
We have no choice.
How come you're not short, Al?
Because it printed 2 almost in an instant. That's why I'm not fast enough.
Oh crap.
Because we play ranked, so there's a lot of shit we have to do. Let's see. My dad hates it. My mother hates it. My sister hates it.
He's been banned. He's been banned until 7:30.
Your cat hates it.
My cat loves it.
No, the cat does hate it. Leaves the room, goes upstairs.
I give him treats.
Okay, looking for a short. Looking for a short entry. So far, this switch account technique is not working too good for me. I don't really have much
Buyers beware.
gains in my account. Shit, I got in early. Better close out,
I'm gonna sell.
or this is gonna
Just
kill
for
me.
fun. All right. It's showtime.
Yeah, it's dump time.
Yes, sir.
Everybody get out of the markets.
Don't like
I'm-
the equal highs.
Canada and Mexico are retaliating. Get out of the markets. They've loaded their pea shooters.
Come on. Yeah, I don't like that giant fair value gap on the way down.
Took a piece off. Very small.
Or
Take another little
Maybe
piece
I do
off.
like it.
Oh, what a dirty wick.
And a dirty wick.
What's a dirty wick?
I don't know.
It wicked and the bar finished white.
I think it's a movie he saw
Oh.
yesterday. Come on, let's get some follow through to the downside here. People need to be notified. The markets are never going up again. Oh well. Yeah, damn. You can say that again.
Well, it can fail now if it wants to. Oh. Look at that tap. Tap tappy. Tapped it by $1.25. That fair value got. Said, see you later, boys.
Oh, I'm talking to myself.
I'm sure there were a lot of people that went long off that first run, thinking like this is it.
I don't know why I took it. Took the 4 bars. I don't know why I took it, bro. I wanted that 930 weight.
You went short
Yeah, I went short that
and you're holding?
E17, no. I took it, I went short E17 and I took it at 88.
Oh, nice.
This was David's new entry, I think. Text him, see if this was one on the 1 minute.
He's not talking to me. You ask. He's in the room.
Why, he's pissed? At you? Oh, he's in the room.
Let's get it all out in the open and talk about it as a group.
What chip speak? I gotta see which one you are.
I am he.
Got you.
He who speaks and he who seeks.
Okay, David, you're live.
Nervous trader.
Good.
Dave, you there?
It's healthy. It's very healthy.
Dave, you there?
Yeah.
Was that your one of your setups right there, like 2 minutes ago? It looked like it
Yeah.
to me. I took it short.
On the 1 minute,
Yeah.
oh, you'd be break even now.
Oh no, I covered already. I took profit. I
Took
didn't.
the low at 9:30.
Yeah, no, I didn't do 1-to-1 or anything. I wasn't sure because we had some blue and some up candles and some some bull candles, some bear candles before it. So
Everybody be careful. News at 10.
news at 10. Let me go disconnect my bot. Thank you for telling me. I would have forgotten.
What is this? Durable goods? What do they call it? Oh no, it's the ISM.
Perishables.
I'm thinking about tomorrow, I think.
What is ISM? Manufacturing PMI. What does that even mean?
I don't know. I gotta look it up.
It's based on data compiled from purchasing and supply executives nationwide. At least that's what TradingView says.
I gotta
don't know.
tell you, whoever compiles all this data and all these different agencies, I'm sure there's a shit ton of insider trading that goes on. They tell their
Economic activity in the manufacturing sector in the United States versus the previous month.
they tell their uncle's friend's brother's cousin or something.
Mute.
Oh wow, look at you.
Hey,
What? Okay, so we wait for the news. I sit on my hands 3 minutes. It's not so much to sit on my hands, I guess, right?
Nope. Not at all. I'm glad I got out right at that. Taking the wick of open.
You're hearing me, but you're hearing me off in the distance, right? Because it's a mic that's far away that's picking me up, I think.
Sure. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a little. It's loud enough though. I can hear you.
Yeah, because I turned my mic off for the. I have to do a screen share one time for you guys to understand how the connection is made, so you can see, get a better idea
I
of the
really
double
wanna
hop
take
that
it
I have to
short.
do. You still trading before the news? 2 minutes? 1 minute before the news?
I'm not in anything. I was flat at the bottom at the first green wick or green candle going to pick up. I didn't make much. $40, I think.
have a bad note, please.
Hmm,
A bad one.
it's weird.
I went to go dig at a crud scene, I think I felt a vein rip,
Ouch.
and my nose is actually pouring.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's bad. Not even just rip, it's leaking.
It's pouring.
Pinch it. Tip it backwards.
Just shove a Kleenex in there
What I did.
and then pinch it and lean backwards, what Chip says.
Look at the ceiling.
Dave, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Was that a long?
Huh?
Was that a long now? My horn just went off and said that was a long.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna make a note. You have to show me why.
What could it hurt just to wait?
Yeah,
30
I'm waiting. I'm
seconds?
not taking anything. Even if it was a long, I wouldn't take it.
I don't hear you well, Mike. It sounds like you're speaking in like an airport microphone.
Yeah, no, now you hear me better. It's just that I'm turning off the mic here because there's an echo if I use a double mic.
Yeah, there I hear you.
Yeah.
I hear wood chip very well.
Yeah, because he's speaking directly into his microphone. Now I'm speaking directly into my microphone, but before I close my mic, because Alex's microphone also picks me up because he's right beside me, and then it echoes.
Oh, whatever you do after, like before that, I don't really hear you.
Yeah. I'd have to talk louder if I want to, or turn my mic on like that, like I just did now.
I'm taking one small. Oof, it's a far range.
I'm also turning off my mic because I'm coughing. So I turn it off. But you probably hear it in the distance because Alex's mic picks me up. Okay, I'm looking for a short here. Let's get back into the game. This account is up. So it continues trading until it loses. So I have one losing trade.
Got stopped.
Another poor double click. That wasn't a double click accident. Come on, pick me out there. Excellent, improve my price. Now let's go down another 10 points. 10 points. Give me 10 points on this one. Almost, almost. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Buy the bid for one, and then we get another 15 points out of it now in the next, for my next piece, or even just 7 points, I'll be happy to get 15. One more candle, 82, I need 75. Give me a 75 bid. 79, 78, 77, 76, should have taken the 76. Good enough, I'm out. 203 on this account. Sibo, all is good. Yeah, this is cool. This is easy, stress-free trading.
What a crazy Bulenox there, huh?
At least it worked out in your favor.
First time.
We're tapping into VWAP now, boys and girls. Let's see if VWAP is able to slow down this
How is it doing?
dump. Oh, it's true. I have to put it back on. I'm up 100.
You're up 100?
Up 100 on the 3 lots.
It was killing it overnight. It was
Oh,
up
really? Doing
200.
it again overnight? It's been good.
It was up 233 at one point.
Okay. Yeah, no, in the end it was down 50, I think. But the thing is, I'm only supposed to run it from like 2 to 5 in the morning. Yeah, wait, we're right on VWAP. I'm only supposed to run it from 2 to 5 in the morning, but I think it's boring for people to come in and nothing's happening. So I just set it to run from from midnight till 7 in the morning. And for my forward testing, I'm just going to check the results from 2 to 5 and see what happened. Okay, so we're consolidating, or at least taking a breather here on VWAP. If we get 2 closes on the 1 minute candle below VWAP, I will start to have a bearish bias.
Oh,
Yeah. Did you hear the horn? No, David, no, you go so fast. Damn it. He said hello for 1 second and he disappeared. Didn't even give me a chance to click my mic. Yeah, Dave. David? I know you're there. I see you. Oh, you changed your code. Hold on.
I hear you, Dave.
Yeah, but David doesn't. He changed his code. He went out and he came back in. And I'm in a trade and he's going to think he's not in. And I don't want to let go. Target filled on Bulenox. I'll get out.
It's a little mini bear flag.
Okay, Dave, we hear you again now.
oh yeah.
We're getting trades right on VWAP. Come on, let's break through VWAP. Dave, you hear me?
Yeah.
You wanted to say something like 3 minutes ago.
No.
I wasn't like maybe just keep a heads up.
No.
Yeah, you went out too quickly. You said hello. I have to click my mic on, and the screen isn't right in front of me. So by the time I clicked it to answer you, you disappeared. How many of these right on VWAP are we gonna get?
Getting burned.
Mm, Okay. I am looking, they cannot be winners. I am looking to go long now. VWAP. Held price. So how far higher do we head now? Let's put in a trend line, a magical trend line. Wick to wick. Like that. Let's see if we break that trend line. Let's see if we break the magical trend line. No, I'm not a trend line trader. But that's 3 touches, so if we do break it and then price holds above it and retests it, I'll take that as a long for a small trade. Is it? Yeah. Okay, back looking for a short, believe it or not. It's flipped and I've given up a lot of my earlier gains and we're coming right up into VWAP again. This is where I get hurt when I take these trades. I assume we're going to break through it and I'm not going to get sucked into a trade. Let's see if we can get 2 closes on the 1 minute candle below VWAP, and that'll be a little bit more encouraging for the downside. Taking a quick look again at the zones. Yeah. Still 18 minutes away, but we might get a close below this zone over here. And we could be heading to tap into the London lows, which is the blue box. On the 1 minute. That's a close below VWAP.
David's talking to you. You don't hear him?
No, I don't.
I hear him.
I hear you.
There we go. I'll hear now. Sorry, I had my speaker off. Had my mic turned off. Oh, sorry. I had my mic turned off. I gotta work multiple mic switches. Yeah, I do. There, I've set it up so I can tap my multiple mic switches at the same time. Okay, that's 2 closes under VWAP. That normally would be enough for me to get bearish. Let's see now. If we can get another entry. To the short side, 54, 44, 40. We would have to trade down to 40 for me to be looking to go short.
I'm looking at 981.
It's weird. You don't.
I'm moderating. Yeah, you see those 2 lows in Asia? They're about an hour apart.
No, I'm in a short now, so
950 and 1140. 2 hours, sorry, 2 hours apart. And then you have the spike low from yesterday open. I think it has a lot
Well,
more.
I was going to go to the bathroom. It's a good thing I didn't because I caught a winner.
Beyond that for today.
Okay.
Yep. 766. Yep. I mean, considering the huge gap that we haven't had in, I didn't look back, but we haven't had a gap this big in maybe a year or more on an open like that. Oh, I can't look back far enough because I'm on the March contract, but yeah, let me check that. The number. Some people call it an island gap. Yeah, it's just like when the gap is so large. You see it with NVIDIA a lot. It'll gap and then it'll just stay in that range for a while before it does anything for a couple days. This is a rare news event that people are panicking on, so. I'm very late to the party on my short at 53. Can only do one micro. The stop is too crazy, like where your stop would have to be. At least for me. I wonder how the other streamers are doing. I should check in, give you guys a little report back. Just see the carnage. They're all just with their head down. So what's going on? Alpine is okay. He's
Okay, I just noticed my mic was on mute. So you guys, you all missed the greatest market insight to have ever been given on YouTube. And I'm not repeating it.
Nutty's talking about sunset pictures.
He's talking about what? Sunset pictures?
Nobody's trading.
No. We are. I am. You are. I find it on. It's a good move. I mean, we went up 120 points on the open, and now we've come down 200 points. Pretty smooth, pretty straight. forgetting to take the shit down. I gotta put a note.
Enough.
Yeah, we're right at the lows though. End of the session. As low as you can be. If we do break lower though, you can see a nice 5-10 point dump. We just got it. We're almost there. Oh, we kissed it. Come on, guys, push it lower. Everybody sell on your demo account, see if it has any effect on the markets.
Flat again.
Wow,
$50.
good cover.
Three accounts. Oh, I got so lucky. Oh my gosh. I just flattened. No, I was short. I just flattened right before this happened.
Yeah, lucky for me.
I was just saying I'm flat. I made 50 on 3 accounts.
Which if I did the same,
That's hilarious.
I think you're muted. I think you're muted.
I did not like that.
What chip?
Yeah, I was literally saying as I was doing it, I'm like, oh, flat 3 accounts, $50.
Wow, I dodged a bullet there. That was the Matrix.
Yeah. Well, doesn't mean it's a long.
No, I didn't get caught. I got caught, you'd hear me crying.
Yeah. I mean, I had stops, but they were at 188.
Me, I put in. Me was the break even that got me actually. I didn't flatten. Lucky me. Oh my god.
You belong over here.
No. It's too volatile. I'm too scared.
Yeah, I mean, what do you do? Even one micro, it could go another 100 down again. Yeah, there's nowhere you can do it. I mean, there's that giant fair value gap. This is possibly seek and destroy. Didn't want them to know.
Sorry about the coughing.
Wow, look at this, man.
That was a nice run, eh?
Oh, I forgot to check PW, see what he's up to.
He's yelling and screaming.
He's probably 10 contracts long right now at the top.
I don't know. I like his stream, bro.
He's entertaining.
Yes.
Wait.
I would have that energy level if I wasn't sick. You know that, right? And I didn't get yelled at. Uh-oh.
Oh, looks like PW was short. And he got stopped at barely in profit, it looks like. Oh my gosh.
What is this?
Wow.
Wait, did you have Counter-Strike open?
No, why? Is something wrong?
Flying up, shouldn't it have taken a trade?
No, it needs certain conditions. You scared me.
You said it has to find bullish momentum. That's not bullish. It's bullish.
Yeah,
It's parabolic.
but it's not going to take the trade unless now a certain pattern appears on the.
It's me. It's Sorenko. What do you have to do?
Oh, look at that!
Do we think half gap is going to
Oh, you got in late, eh?
386.50.
I took-
Compared to this, you got in late.
I know.
You know what? No, I think they're out of sync. Take a look at the prices. What are you at?
Well, you think you could read that?
You're out of sync.
Really?
Yeah, you are.
I am. The numbers don't even make sense.
Close it down. Close.
Was this?
Yep. Reopen it.
Okay, that's enough of him. He's calling people a moron in his chat.
That was
Absolute
scary.
moron, actually, is what he said.
Make it so fast to read the.
It doesn't matter if you're 10 points off.
Almost half cap.
Tell me what you're at.
18, 13, 10, 10, 7, 6, 4, 6.
No, we're at 80 here. You got to stop trading. One of them is
Why?
out of
It's
sync.
advantageous for me then.
No, because you'll get the real price.
Yeah, you will.
You're
Al.
gonna
You're
get
gonna get
screwed.
screwed.
They don't
Look,
give.
you're in the 300s. I'm late. Bro, wow, I always have issues with Ninja.
You have to clear your cash. Let me check mine. Are you the same as me?
Clear our cash. We did everything. So I just
I
closed
don't
out.
know, bro. I don't know. I use Ninja. Oh, it's true for
No,
you.
let me
man.
open up my chart over here.
David, what do you use?
Trade of 8. Oh, I use Trading View.
David, I want to
With
compare.
Trade of 8?
Yeah, I never get any issues.
I've always wanted to try that since I heard about it. Do you have to pay for Trade of 8 in order to run it through TradingView?
No, because they're like, let's say you have an eval account, and you sign up with Trade of 8. You could go on Trading View
40-20, right?
and just log in to your Trade of 8 account, and you're on the trade. You're trading on Trading View.
Loading.
Yeah, but wait. There's something he forgot to tell you because he didn't realize. Trading View, you have to pay for the data to come in live. If not, if you just pay for an account and log in.
Oh,
to
sure.
Trade-
I do.
No, you don't. You're not delayed. You have an update every 5 seconds. No, it wasn't every 5.
Really? Well, I have the subscription to CME on TradingView.
Oh, then yeah, you have the pro account.
I don't. I almost did on the Black Friday, but
Yeah, if you have the CME, then you should be fine.
yeah, that's like $7 a month or something. And that just really discouraged me from wanting to trade it all now.
That was a big move out of nowhere too.
Oh, sorry. I'm gonna connect my
Oh.
mic here.
Imagine
Well-
being in a short with no stop. You have a mental stop, and then that happens.
The gold took a beating. $12
We said we're not
loss.
doing it today.
What? No, I'm saying if we would have traded gold, $12 loss today. That's a big loser.
Ah, but we said we're not doing
No,
it
no,
because
'cause
of
of the
all
high
the
volatility.
volatility.
Yeah, and it's
Yeah, yeah.
46 points right now on the range for the 1 minute candles. That's very high. Dave, speak. I want to see if I hear you.
Speak.
Wood chip, do the same thing.
Hello?
Okay, so I hear you guys. I don't need that speaker. I don't know why I needed it before. Anyways, be careful right now. Now we're right into the U.S. session highs. 7 minutes ago, we were right at the U.S. session lows. Really? I missed it? I'm not crazy about this trade. I got in late. Wow, 2 lot and I'm down $60. That's a lot of money to be down for a 2 lot. Okay, gotta focus.
Waiting for
That's no good. Okay, let's break through the U.S. session highs. There we go, there we go, there we go. I'm out. That was a good trade.
I think I'm gonna be done for the day. It's too volatile, and every time it's volatile like that, we take a lot of losers.
That's a good amount. You could
Let's see.
Yeah.
Nervous now.
Close it.
Realize every time there's days like this, we just get fucked.
We tread water.
Back and forth fast and needed.
Yeah.
Yes.
Do that.
I'm in the dark here. I don't have a chart. Thank you. Thank God I got out because
Too nerve-wracking.
I didn't have a chart up. Yeah, I closed Bulenox. I'm going to take my $130. Nice. I didn't mute the mic in time. In the overnight stream, were you chatting it up with some people? I thought I saw something, but then I closed my monitor and I couldn't get it back up. The chat replay didn't work. It looked like you were talking to some people. Like you were making
a little bit,
making
yeah,
calls and
before
stuff.
Before I finally went to sleep.
Well, I won't trade, so I'll go long. If this is a loser, this account is done. Nope. I love it.
Long is okay.
I love when the markets are so quick that there's actually a losing trade, and by the time I click my button, I get out at a profit. See, sometimes my slow execution isn't all that bad.
Well,
closed down everything.
I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm over 400 on this account, which is not bad. I'm milking it.
Up 400? Wouldn't you switch to a different account?
No, only after a full loser, which just happened now.
Okay.
So now I'm up 374. Now I change accounts.
There's some interest above 388 and 390. Those are all daily closes. Oh, it just wiped them out. And then, holy.
Wow, that was a nice move. Got that one. I like this system. You know what? And I can cycle through each account twice. And even if I get unlucky, and one account or two accounts catches a full loser back to back, it's still very small. It's still not even 10% of the drawdown given to me. So, and when I go on a winning streak, it really adds up in the account.
Yeah, what's
What
your
a
signal
run.
that you're watching?
I'm just trading the Renko 7s off my Top Step
okay.
account.
What does the 7 signify?
7-point bars.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's what I said. If you're going to set it up, I'll show you. We'll spend some time. There's a special way to set them up. I know it sounds only if you're using TradingView, not with anybody else. They put a timer on the Renko bars. It's the weirdest thing. I don't even know how to explain it without showing you on
Maybe I'll try it tonight.
on the stream or something, you know?
Yeah,
I
sure.
wouldn't even know how to explain it. But it's weird.
Okay. Body's respecting half gap. No closes above it. 386.50.
Everything's gone. Scratch.
That's
cheap
weird.
is it? This is a
You
pretty
wouldn't
cheap
lose
short.
saved settings in a game because the power cord was loose in your monitor or in the computer.
I'm trying it. Cheap short. 40-point stop. 404.
Let's go. Let's head for the well, we broke through the initial balance.
Let's see it. 180. Let's see it go all the way back to 180.
But we've come right back into it. And in 20 seconds, we might get our second close.
Okay. Oh. 6 points. Profit.
Do we get a second close? Yes, we do. So now we have two closes back inside the initial balance. That for me was not an initial balance retest because we never had a candle that had some space between. Hold on. Never had a full candle above the initial balance high. The wicks always are still on the inside the initial balance. So I wouldn't be taking that as a retest. Didn't manage to close above it. Come on, dip lower. There you want to. There we go. Got a small piece out.
Yeah, be careful.
Yeah, I'm short 3 at 53, but my stop is at 64, so 11 points, not bad.
I'm short 61.
I'm gonna lighten up a piece
stop.
here. That's it, get out. Made some money on that one. Wow, that's a strong push through initial balance again.
Oh, tagged me.
Trying to go higher. Trying. Buyers look pretty strong right now. Well, that was a nice strong push above.
Wow, it's gonna go for the full gap fill.
Above the initial balance high. Plus it formed a fair value gap on that run. So I would say that's some strength appearing in the market. I took a small trade. Might get a boat horn here. We have 17 seconds. I don't know. Come on, don't get in early. There you go. Perfect. Wow, this is a nice one. 132. I'll take a piece. Come on, let's run. Let's make this a good runner for me. Let's go. Let's go. No, come on. I'm gonna add here. Very tight stop. Very tight stop. About 7 points from where I am. I'm out. I'm out. Brought that account up to 387. That's good. Ah, what perfect timing. I got out of my long. Ah.
Now you gotta switch accounts.
No. I only switch an account when I get a full loss.
Oh, okay.
No, young man. I can still trade this account. But I traded it with smaller size. I was supposed to do... Actually, when I came down, I said I was going to do 12 lots. But then I wasn't feeling well, so I changed it to 4 lots, and I only did a 3 lot. I'm really trading small today. But it's my first day trying out this account rotation strategy, so I don't mind trading it for smaller size. Boat horn. Dave disqualifies if the next blue candle, up candle.
What? Is that a...
You didn't understand that unclear sentence? Hold
I don't
on.
know. I heard boat horn. Dabba-dabba-dabba-doo.
Yeah, I said boat horn, yabba dabba dabba doo. No, I said if this candle now closes above the bearish, the open of the bearish candle, this one qualified. But anyways, it's not doing anything spectacular. But the initial balance retest is in play now at 21,360, 21,360 something.
We have school today. I forgot.
Yuck. I'm not going. I'm skipping today.
Right, I'm long. 383 stop.
Mm.
60-point stop. No, 40.
After this trade, I'm going to take a look at the 15-minute, get my bearings. I'm not sure where we are right now. That wasn't a full loss. I can continue trading this account. 15-minute. We are explosively above London highs and US session and initial balance. And we're back above that range that I've marked off. We've tapped into multiple times at 21,200. What's the full gap fill? 527. So we're like 120 points away. 140. 573.
You use with the
if I'm using 5 o'clock, it's
yeah.
Oh yeah. 5. I get it. 570, 570 something. I see it.
Let's see if I can do this. Yeah, in TradingView, if you just toggle off electronic trading hours and switch to regular, you can see the gap really easily.
Okay.
I flattened my long before my stop. Bummer.
Yeah, the markets are pretty strong. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I mean, even though these 1 minute and the last 10-minute candles don't look very big, they're actually, you know, like 30 points.
Yep, 34-point average range.
That'll chew you up.
No, it's excellent
Even
volatility.
with the smallest size, it'll chew you up. I think.
Yeah, no, I like high volatility.
Well, I do too, but I like to watch it and then you can trade it later.
Once you put up the Renkos and I show you how we're looking at them,
Yeah.
you're going to see what we mean by continuation and follow through in high volatility. Ha! Excellent. I just missed a full loser by drawing in a trend line. So I can still stay on this account.
15-minute has a good gap in it, so.
So how's my account rotation doing? In case anybody's curious. I'll run through the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 accounts. Plus 580 in one. Minus 29 in one. Plus 7 in another. Minus 50. Plus 374. Plus 531 and minus 145. So it's keeping my losses small. And my the winning accounts are nice. They're good gains.
Yeah, you caught some really good moves.
Yep.
Okay, it's finally falling out of the box that you could draw in the 1 minute. All those body tops and bottoms. It's finally gonna go outside. I think I'm gonna wait for just after 11 o'clock.
Come on, let's see 92 bid. $92 bid. Let's go.
short's going to be about 100 points if it goes into that 15-minute FEG. I'm going to try one. $393 Phil. Who's Phil? With the 50-point stop. That's what sucks about this. I need the 15-second chart. All right. Stops $1 above the high. I did say I was going to wait till 8, didn't I?
I don't know. You mean wait till 8? 8 what?
11 a.m., sorry.
Okay.
I just said that, and then I went short with the 50-point stop at the highs. Because I think any breakdown is going to be a huge move.
Well, we still didn't get the initial balance retest.
That's at 7:30? Or 10:30?
Yeah, it's the
Calling
range
it
from it's the high and low
1
from
hour?
9:30 to 10:30, yeah.
Okay.
So we broke through it at a little bit after 10:30, but we didn't get a full candle above, so I don't consider that a break.
It's pretty good. I'll mark it. It's right below that main burst up that you caught at 10:40.
I don't even know. My God, we're at 11 o'clock. I don't even think I'm going to get the cycle through all my accounts. I still have 3 more untouched.
I'm gonna add one.
I'm going to try something. I think I'm going to hold one contract and just see if I can catch a nice runner. My stop's going to be a little bit large. 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 30 points. I hope it doesn't take me out. Come on, push up. Let's see if I can improve my price, my entry price. There we go. Okay, and my entry price is 16. Now I don't feel so bad letting it go another, I don't know what against me. I would be stopped out at
390.
no, much earlier than that, 405. So that's not bad. Oh. Goodbye. Goodbye, Charlie. That was quick.
Yeah, now we want to see it flush. Flush. Do it for the stream.
Do it for my unborn children. Well, I gave back $100 there.
Nope, don't like this.
Got X70 of it.
No, I'll let it hit if it wants to hit. 54.75.
Oh, all the way up there, not just the U.S. session highs of 54.50.
No, 54. Oh, it just took me. Did it?
Oh, it didn't
Yeah.
hit 75, did it?
No, it took me out. I'm just trading eval. I'm not even touching my PA. I actually traded the PA with you guys this morning, and I
Okay.
only lost $20, which I'm pretty happy about. But it also told me right away, this isn't it, because I barely took. I took two.
Well, if I like the way this account rotation thing goes, I'm going to try a little bit more. I'm going to include my PA accounts as well. I'm going to get a long signal right at the U.S. session highs. And I'm not going to take it because I don't like that. 34, it's going to be at
easy.
48.
It looks a little too easy.
It's asking for trouble.
On a normal day, I would just be like, oh yeah, we're consolidating. We're about to go next leg higher. But too nervous about this. This is... The chart looks the same, but the candles, volume-wise, are way bigger than most
Yeah.
days.
Oh, the volume. I didn't check the volume. 1.4 million.
Oh, look at that. Look at it go.
Active. Yep.
You bastard.
Definitely not. Fuck.
Jeez. Anyone gonna go short right now?
Hmm.
But on the 15-minute, it looks a little good for the shorts. Let me check ES. Anyone checking ES?
No, yes, I don't check. David's not here anymore. He slipped out. He slipped out into the night.
There's no divergence. They are mirror image practically.
Actually, what I'm going to do is, that thing that I call my swing trade.
Mm-hmm.
It's short, so I went short one.
Yeah,
I'm gonna hold that for a bit of a while. See if I can milk it. I tried one before, also didn't work out.
Well, yeah, me too. And then it dumped. Took me out by $2 on the high. So I'm gonna do that again.
Yeah, remind me. That's another thing. I'll show you how I'm doing that. How I set those up
Here we go.
to catch big moves. But you do them on smaller size. I think you're gonna find the
always
Renko's
doing small
interesting. See, I'm on a
size.
one light. I'm up $100 right on a one lot.
I'm always going for small size.
Yeah.
Big move.
Oh, the horn. The horn.
Okay, moving stop and profit to. I'm short at 95. I'm gonna wait to move the stop. Move it to 80. Oh, 90, 91. I'll make nothing, right? But it's protected. I think of it as actually like fishing. If you can move your, when it's very volatile, if you can move your stop into profit, even if it's a little, like I just got stopped for 4 points profit. I'm fishing for, I guess, my bias, and it kind of keeps you safe. Wow, look at those 2 1 minute. Oh my god. 344 to 407. 60 points. I'll try it again. I'm short at 91.
No.
Right now.
Do you still hear me if I turn this off? What chip? You didn't hear me calling your name? I was doing a mic test. No,
I did not.
Yeah, okay, so I understand now. You're in the room, you're in the Video Ninja room. I have to have the Video Ninja mic on, not the OBS mic. Wow, that was a an interesting initial balance high retest. But whoever got in got stopped out if they only did like Matt with 10 points, because the initial balance high is at 363 and we went down to 341. So that was a 21 point, unless they just held their breath and hoped and prayed. But if you followed the rules, you got stopped out there. I think we just wicked the US session highs again.
Yep.
Yeah, just tapped it.
My stop's at 461, I believe. Yep.
I gotta make a call. I'm gonna put it on mute for a minute, okay?
Okay.
I am back. Looking to go long. I have a little bit of a runway. I have 14, 15 points to the US session highs if I get a long triggered at 34.
Triple top wicks.
Yeah, I know. I have
Some
a little
people believe in
room
that.
to run to there.
I
Good
usually believe in that, but not on a day like today. I don't know. I'm still biased short. I don't know why. I think this is too easy. I mean,
Well,
everybody was surprised. The streams I was checking in on when I told you I would,
mm-hmm.
and then that huge move happened, and then I checked in on PW, and he was saying the same thing. He's like, "What is going on?" And right when you guys were, Alex or somebody
Yeah.
was saying, "What is this?" It was at 10:26, I think.
Well, we're in a micro down move that the buyers look like they're trying to reverse, but it keeps getting slapped back down.
Yeah, I added to my short.
Yeah, which makes me think I don't want to take my long if I get it.
I have 406 average on 2 micros with a 461 stop. Eval.
That's all I'm trading today. All evals. Okay, triggered long. I'm a glutton for punishment. I'll take a 2-lot.
No, you'll probably do well. You've been doing well.
Got out of 1. Holding just 1 now.
I remember what you said on Friday. You didn't say it on Friday, but on Friday when I was kind of destroying my profits on my PA, when you said if it goes below 750, it's not worth continuing.
Oh, yeah. It really
so
isn't.
I stopped, and then I was able to recover it. A lot of it, 500 of it.
Yeah.
Last night.
Especially for the way that we do it, because the Renkos are boxes. They're price boxes, 7 points each. So, if the average range is just 7 minutes, it's just 7 points on the 1 minute candles. What happens is often you just get stopped out. You get an entry, and then it reverses and goes because you're playing within the range. I don't know if I'm explaining well.
No,
but think of it as like a ceiling and a floor that's very close to you, you know. So if it goes up a little bit, you bump into the ceiling and you go back down. But now when I have a 40-point range, think of it as a 40-foot ceiling. So if I'm jumping in if the ball starts going up and I say, okay, I think we're going to the ceiling, and I get in at 11, I still have 29 feet of room to the ceiling, you know. So I have room for continuation. It's just, you know.
Are you looking at a divergence from the ATR and the Renkos?
No, not at all. Just
if they're the same, is that no trade?
It's not that if they're the same. It's just that I found just by watching the market so long, so many hours already, that for the U.S. session under 7 it's whipsaw city. That's where you need to buy the lows of ranges and sell the highs of ranges because it's so tight. You know, you're not going anywhere.
What is a good value for Renko?
For the Renko, anything over 7, because you're going to have slippage, and you have commissions, and the tighter and the smaller you make it, the more that eats into your profits.
And each Renko is formed on a 1 minute price change?
Yeah, no, on Ninja it's just price change. Unfortunately, for TradingView, they actually included a time element as well. That's why I said I'd have to show you. If you're doing it on TradingView, I'd have to show you, because they do it differently. Yeah, they included a time element, so you need to set it as low as possible. Well, we set it to 1 second. That's as low as it goes. Yeah, you're going to be on the stream tonight.
Possibly, yeah.
And you have the, you said you have the Renkos now already?
I believe so.
Yeah.
I don't really want to, well, let me see. I'll do it on the 15 minute, or on this other window. Oh, it's weird. It still wants me to upgrade. I upgraded this weekend. Oh, that's weird. It's trying to upgrade me to premium. I upgraded to plus for their 30-day trial, and it says it includes Renko. But now they're saying I gotta go premium. That's stupid. Sounds like Comcast.
Wow, we're really pushing into this 21,450 level and not getting through it, eh?
Yeah, thank God.
Oh, you short?
Yeah. Stops at 461. It's gonna get hit.
I wouldn't be so sure.
It's a good short, good long trap, sorry.
You would think they would poke it through and run the stops, but this high is being defended pretty well. They keep knocking it down, and eventually if the sellers want to stick it to whoever's trying to push it through, we're going to do one of those fast dumps.
We had some good manipulation at 1105, 1106, those two mirror image bearish bullish candles.
I'm going to get a long entry now on Renko at right at the highs again, and I'm not going to take it. If it's going to go, let it go without me. It's not worth it. This area is being defended too strong. Or as Trump would say, this area is being defended bigly. Bigly.
Does he say that?
Yeah, it's his word. Bigly. He's a character, this guy.
Yeah, for sure.
Wow, I have a lot of screaming longs. Everything is shouting long right now.
Yeah.
Alarms, alerts, arrows are printing on my charts, on some of the charts that you guys don't see that. It's saying long, 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 because we're in an uptrend. So, and I track the trends. You know, I track the path of least resistance, and right now the upside is the path of least resistance.
There it goes. All right.
So it's letting me know, don't go short. Save your bullets for long positions. I've done spectacularly well today with, look, they pushed it through, they wicked through it, and they came back in.
Yeah, exactly. Haters want to hate.
That's what I hate about that. How do you defend against that? You move your stop farther away, but then it makes it harder for you to make money because now your 1-to-1 or your 2-to-1 is a lot farther away also. You know, it's like they got you on that. That's what I hated using swing highs and swing lows for my stops because they get run so often. And then it reverses, and it's so frustrating.
Oh yeah, that's stupid. It'll let me see Rankos on a daily.
Yeah, so what that means is your Renko bars will print, right?
Mm-hmm.
But they won't get set in concrete. They'll repaint. So you can have 5 up bars, but then those 5 up bars will disappear and you'll get 3 down bars. And the only time it'll close and it'll set them in concrete, so to speak, is when the day is over. That's why I said if you put up Renkos, put it for 1 second. So now it only requires 1 second to seal a bar. And you'll know that a bar is sealed, well, depending on your colors that you've chosen. I use white and red. And when a bar is open, not yet determined to be a closed bar, it's in yellow. So if you hear me and Alex saying something, shit damn, we got in early, that's because a full bar formed, but it still stayed yellow. It didn't get set yet, and we have to wait for it to get set because you can get hurt if you don't. You'll actually go short, the bar doesn't really form and it disappears, and then you go long and you took a loss for nothing. But again, I don't know what colors you're using, so that might be confusing for you again. You know what? Can you see the stream?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think I'm gonna call it a quits here. What am I up here? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1700. 1700 is a good day for me across accounts. But wait, no,
Yeah.
let's be fair. I have losses. Let's go down to the red. I have, there's my losses. So look how well it worked. Switching accounts. $29 loss on one, 50 on one. The sim doesn't count. And 145 on the other. So total losses is about 230. All small because I switched accounts. And these accounts much larger. Wow, I might be onto something, eh?
Yeah.
As long as you're winning, keep pushing the account. One loss, you stop, switch accounts. No account gets into trouble. And some accounts will run.
Limit.
Okay, so give me a second here. Let me figure out how I can open it. I gotta close it on this screen, so I don't have two open. Here. Yeah, I'll make it really big so you'll be able to see what I'm talking about.
I'm sure
Exactly. It will give you an idea of what I'm talking about. You'll understand better visually. And I'll be able to explain better visually. You have to give me a second here. It's loading.
I think that was it.
My kissy
What do you
spouse. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
I have about 15 minutes and then I have to go for sure.
Yeah, okay. I should get it done
I
by
just
then.
wanted to see the London close. 3 minutes.
I don't know, my computer's acting weird. It's not even letting me in now. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay, they would let me in now.
Okay. Let's get the big move.
This is really weird. Not letting me in. I'm logged in. And then when I try to open up the platform, it's just hanging. I think TopStep is having a problem also because their AI bot that answers support is not working either. It's just a blank screen and it's saying app unable to load.
You ever try their platform?
Yeah, sure. I have TopStep accounts.
No, I mean their TopX.
Yeah, that's what I use with them. I love it. Oh boy, when you ever want to show somebody something, it always does this. I remember also, it's like this all the time in life. Yeah, give me a second, I'll show you something, and then nothing works. Okay.
Sweep that manipulation at 344, 50 points lower. Come on.
I'm getting there.
Okay, 8:30. Let's see what happens. 11:30, sorry.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo.
Ta-da! They finally let me in. Okay, let me put it up. Oh, wow. There's so much wasted space. To make it really small. Oh, you know what? There's only one way I'll know how small to make it. By putting it here.
Let's go. Stop is now.
He's hacking.
Too tight.
Yo, are we going to Plantain?
Okay, that looks like you can see. Hold on. I'm looking at the stream
Let's go
here.
Plantain, I'll watch Vol.
Is this Top Step? They let you do Rankos?
Yeah, they let you do Renkos because you're their licensing trading view. So you kind of have the what is this? You have the trading.
Wow, and you don't have to pay for it. You're on the 1 second. That's worth the price of going Top Step
It is?
versus Apex, I think.
Yeah.
I did not know that.
Okay, so I'm watching the stream here. Are you up to date on the stream? Like, what time do you have? Let me check my time. I have 32 minutes and 46 seconds. How far back are you?
Let me see.
Or
Sorry,
actually, call out your time, what you see on the stream.
Why can't it show that?
The time should be on the bottom
Yeah, XRP
left corner.
XRP went under $2 and it's already back at 270
crap.
today.
Yeah.
270
Hang on
more.
a second.
Bipolar. Goddamn bipolar activity.
Oh, your time. Sorry. 11:33. 11:33:11.
Okay, you're 10 seconds behind me. Click on click on the speed
Yeah.
thing.
Let me change that. Yeah. Okay, let's try it again.
Put the speed to 2x until it catches up.
11:33:36.
You ready? Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, that was good. Now you're about 4 seconds behind me.
Yeah, that's normal, right?
Okay, so actually call out your time again that you see.
11:33:50.
Wow, you're even ahead of mine. Let me catch
All
up
good, all
now.
good. Let me just use them 100 off my RC.
Let me do a quick catch up. Looks good. Okay, I just turned 34. 34, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're about the same time.
11:34:14 right now.
Okay, you're faster than me.
How is that?
Hold on, I gotta get a cough out. Give me a sec. Sorry about that. I closed the stream, but not you. Not your Video Ninja link. Okay, so you see how white bars are forming now?
Yes.
Okay, but you don't see any price activity. That means we're trading inside that last white bar, somewhere within the range, the high and the low right now. But, oh, you know what? Let me make it bigger for you.
P2 and the outer bones P2.
There we go. Made it much bigger, and you can't see the price. I got to bring it in so you can see the price also. That should be good. Now you can see the price. Yeah, let it refresh. My screen. There. Okay. So there's in the pricing, you can see there's in the price markers, whatever. On the axis, you can see a white rectangle, 21,434.
Yeah.
That's the high of the most recent formed Renko box. My boxes are 7. So I know that the low of that box is 7 points below that, which would be 27. So you'll see a little yellow if we get below 27, which we are now, and I'm calling it out a little early, you're going to catch up. But as we got below 27, there's a yellow box that's forming, right? You should start to see the yellow box.
Yep.
Yeah, that yellow box is not a complete box yet. Only when it turns red is it complete. And it's going to turn red instantly for you on this one over here, but they don't always. See, once the box was complete, it turned red instantly.
Double doors. God damn, right when I use
Sometimes, once the box was complete, another 7 points down, which is 14 points from the high of the previous white bar. Because the white bar is 7 points, and then that new red bar is another 7 points below it. So that's why you hear us say we have a 14-point stop. Like if we were to go long now on this... Oh, here's a perfect example. See how it's going yellow and forming? Watch, 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 watch. It's going to form a full bar, but not turn white. You see? So you got to wait till the bar turns white, because it's possible price goes down again. If you go long before that bar turns white, it's not an official bar yet. And that's why you got to put it to 1 second. Now on Ninja, there's no time element. So as soon as it hits the 7 points from the high of the previous bar, it makes a new bar. As soon as it hits it in Ninja, it prints the bar. But with TradingView, you have to make your 7 points above the high of the previous bar, right? And you got to stay there for at least a second. If you set it for 5 seconds, you have to stay above for at least 5 seconds before it'll turn the bar your official color, and it'll be a permanent print. So that's why I'm saying...
Oh, fuck, I'm so sorry. You scared the shit out of me.
That's why I'm saying you got to wait till the bars actually close and change the color that you set them to.
Yo, my bad, bro.
So in this case here right now, you can see we're above the bands, right?
Mm-hmm.
So me and Alex would take a long, and we would be stopped out. As soon as that bar turned red, we would have gotten stopped out. So that would have been a loser. That's when we say a full loss.
Okay.
Let me just move it over. So...
You just wait for one red print?
Yeah, that's it. I don't know why this thing is in the way here. Let me just move it there. Hold on. Here a little bit faster than me. Okay, so here we would have had a trade. Can I change my cursor to the arrow? Here we're below the bands. Give it, remember what you're hearing me, but you're going to only see it about 7 seconds later. So we're below the bands. I'm showing you we're below, right?
Mm-hmm.
We wait for the retrace. That's that one white bar, but it can be 1, it can be 2, it could be 3. As long as you don't get a full candle above the bands, we're in short mode.
What
And
are
then-
the bands again? Oh, they're moving averages?
Yeah, moving average, I think 30 periods, yeah. I just popped it up. It's 30 periods the high and 30 periods the low. There it is. I'm on the eye. There,
okay.
30 high, 30 low. So we switch to short mode or short bias on this candle over here. I'll wait till I see it on the stream. Right there. That's a full candle. The high of that candle has space between itself and the lower band. This candle over here doesn't have space. It's still touching the bands. So if we would have gotten a white candle or a bullish candle right there, you should be seeing it now where my mouse is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there we go. If we would have gotten a bullish candle right after this candle, we would take the bullish trade. We would go long. But once this candle prints and there's space between the candle and the bands, we now switch to bearish mode or selling, short mode. But we require a retrace, any retrace, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candles, as long as it doesn't go fully above the bands, and we take the next short. So this one would have gone down 2. So that's a 14-point unrealized gain. But then it turned white. Let the mouse catch up. So that right there at the bottom, it's a 14-point unrealized gain. But then it went long, and we would get out for even. And we wouldn't have another trade until the long trade that just occurred over here. Let me wait for the mouse to catch up. See, we traded all the way up above the bands again.
Mm-hmm.
We have a candle that has space. between the upper band and its candle. That would be this candle over here. Let my mouse catch up to the stream. I'm watching. Wait. Okay, there you go. That candle right there that my mouse is on now, that candle has space between itself and the upper band. So that switches us over to long mode. The next trade would have been exactly a full loser because it didn't go anywhere. It lost us 2 candles. And then finally, this last one over here, right now it's up 14 some odd points. And how far it can go, who knows? Me, what I like to do sometimes when it's yellow, like over here, when it's like yellow under the thing, I like to add sometimes to my position because my stop is really small. In this case, if I would have added, I would have got stopped out because it turned red. So this is another instance when we went 2 bars, 14 points in profit, but in the end it would have been a break even. And if I go back where me and Alex made money today, I think it was, hold on, how do I click the A here? Yeah, okay, it was in this run here. I'm watching the stream. I'm still watching. I'm waiting for it to do what I clicked on. Okay, you see the size of those runs?
Oh yeah.
On the bullish side. So those really did. That's where me and Alex did really well today. And the thing is, he's much better at holding for like 42 points or more. Well, hold on, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 42-point run. This is when I tell you we go for 42 points. This is more than 42 points. This is 35 points, if I'm not mistaken. And then you would have a full loser. Then you would have had a full loser again over here. Oh shit, we're not synced. You know what? I'm talking, but you're seeing it. Okay, those are 2 full losers there. Those 2 little white, the ones that were on their own. The white ones.
Another one.
Single bars, let's call it that. The single bars. Those were full losers. But after that, you had 1, 2, 3. This was, I think, a 42-point winner. And a 42-point winner usually eats up 3 single bar losers. So if you remember a couple of times when I'm down, like when I'm trading a 1 lot, I'm down $120 or $100, and I get one 42-point winner, it pretty much eats my entire loss up. So that's why we like it also, because when you just get one really good winner, it eats up a lot of your losses. And also what we do, or more what I do, is I don't hold for 42 points. I take a piece out, you know, after it even goes 1 bar or 2 bars. I just chip away and make small profits, because the probability, as you can see, the probability of getting a 1 bar is quite low, especially in a volatile market. Let the chart catch up. Are you even looking, or are you just humming?
I'm watching, yeah. I'm
Well,
watching.
when I think off. Shut. Yeah, so if you look over here, we're bullish, but that's a 5, that's a 2, that's a 2, that's a 2. Here's a 1. So there's your 1, 1. You know, 1 time. That's a 2. That's a 2. Here you're short, but you got no trade. Long. I keep forgetting that you're not in sync with me. Okay, that's a 2. There's no trade over there. Then we come down. I'll watch it. I'll go slower. Watch the mouse. There we go. We come down. We have our retrace. We have a 1, right? 1 red bar. My mouse will go. Wait, not there yet.
Yeah.
There you go. 1 red bar. So that's a full loss. But then, like a few seconds later, you enter and you catch a 42-point winner. So a 14-point loser and a 42-point winner. We cut it at 42. We really try not to go more than 42. And then, now we go long again. I'll watch my mouse. See, we have a bullish bias because we went over the price channel. Next bar, a full loser. Discouraging. Minus 14 points. Because we lose the full white bar and we lose the full red bar. My mouse isn't there yet. There we go. But then we catch a 7, another 42-point winner. After that's a 3, a 2, and a 3. So that's not really losing any money. That's kind of break-even trading. And that's what we do. So, like I said, the most important thing, I'll put my cursor on it. You need this number here. You need it to say traditional 7. Wait till my mouse goes there in the top left corner, sort of.
Yeah.
It has to say traditional 7, not ATR 7, because there's an ATR setting. Let me open it up. I can't get to the properties because my chart's too small. Anyways, yeah, there's an ATR. So you want it to say traditional 7, and you want the time frame to be 1 second. Here, let me show you if I change the time frame. I condensed the chart a little bit. I compressed it. Let me let the stream catch up. So you see all those bars? How many there are? How many directional changes are? If I go and I change my time now to, let's say, 30 seconds, there's going to be a ton less bars. Watch. It's a lot smoother, right?
Yeah.
And a lot less bars. You'd say, hey, why don't you trade this? Because a new bar, when it forms, is going to require 30 seconds before it'll turn white. And the markets can run. And you have to wait till it turns white. You can't trade when it turns yellow because the yellow's... The official term is repaints. It'll appear, but then it'll disappear. Kind of like give you a signal, and then the signal disappears. It repaints itself. So you have to wait. Here's a perfect example. Right now, let's watch it. It just turned yellow. It made a full bar. There's a second yellow right now on stream, but it disappeared. And it's even possible that this yellow bar will disappear. You see, that yellow bar disappeared?
Yeah.
The reason being is that it's waiting 30 seconds for price to be above the high of that yellow bar. When it's fully formed, price has to be above that bar for 30 seconds before they'll paint it white. And if you're waiting to enter, sometimes in 30 seconds, price can be 30 points away already. So you're not going to get your entry. So yeah, you need it to be at 1 second. It's supposed to be pretty well instant.
I'd have to spend a lot of hours with that to feel good about it.
Yeah, of course.
I gotta look at my accounts, man.
That's interesting. I got 2 minutes and I gotta go for sure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Right. Yeah. 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 No, I am. Mm. Yeah. Cool. It's a new world for me. So. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Yeah. Sounds great. See you, man.